Well, this is some deja vu for my mom. Uh, Something either with the washing machine or the outlet was burning. Um, Somehow she always smells it first before anybody else does. But I finally smelled it too, and then you could really smell it in the hallway. So she shuts off the washing machine. We still look throughout the house just to make sure. Then she unplugs it, and this whole thing here was hot. The wire wasn't, but this part was, and the outlet was hot. Only the top one, not the bottom one, which is weird, unless most of the wires go up instead of down. I'm not really sure. Probably down, you would think, but only the top one was hot. The bottom one was regular temperature. But it did change its color a little bit. You can definitely tell it was that color, and now it's that color. So, yeah. So it definitely got really hot. You know that, Mom? It's a completely different color now.
Where? Which one?
The two prongs, they were all that gold brass type color, and now the two prongs are pink.
Gosh, that scared the living crap out of me. We could have been without a home.
It still stinks. Yeah, we could have been without a home almost before Christmas. Even though it's bad at any time of year, but still, it's just weird around Christmas. But you can see both of them melted a bit. So, and she said that she had a problem before when I was like 2. You said 2?
Yep.
Yeah, and at a different place with the washing machine. That one, the electric actually shut off, the electric box. And so she was wondering why the washing machine kept shutting off and stuff, so she turned it back on, turned it back on again, and then it shut back off, and then she went over to the box, and that smelled of burning instead of this part. Now, this time it's this part. And we're not sure if it's the washing machine or that itself. Either way, the thing still should have shut off when it didn't. And that's the second time here that it did not shut off when it should have. The first time was when the freaking stove did that and almost caught fire. If the wire didn't break in half because of the fire, then it would have been a fire, you know. But here, I'm assuming it's that only because the rest of the wire didn't get hot. If the whole wire was hot, or at least more than just this part, then I would have thought that it was the washing machine. But because it was only this that was hot and none of the wire, I'm pretty sure it's that. But you never know. Maybe there's like a problem like in this thing itself. I don't know. But yeah, you can definitely see the damage. Thank God it didn't continue. Okay, all of the major stuff is done now. Now it's just the bottle caps and little random stuff, as well as the desktops and stuff. And then it should be my room should look really good. Yeah, I just wanted to give you another room update, and yeah, that was scary with the washing machine. Yeah. Anyway, it seemed like a whole bunch of stuff happened all at once that I don't think I even said all of it. For example, a car was taken again from back payments again. Getting it back again, though. Water was shut off for a couple hours until it was paid. plus a $35 late fee or turn on fee or whatever. It's back on now, but it's just the fact that you wait until it's off before you pay it. I know, I don't know. But Mom's tooth money is gone now to get her tooth fixed because one of her front teeth is, the filling is missing now. That fell out several months ago, and they said that she's in danger of losing her tooth as a whole because of how small left her tooth is at the top. It could just break off and her whole tooth can fall out. Her whole front tooth can fall out, and it's a front tooth, so that's like a major thing. But now that money's gone to pay for the car. I don't know, man. But that's that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.